Hi, I'm back off holiday. A couple of days in Blackpool and Chester. What does that mean though? The car is absolutely up. Really is. It's got bird muck on and all sorts. And I hate to say it, I curbed me alloy. I've got I've got four brand new wheels, all powder coated in black, and then numpty here goes and clips a curb. So I'm going to see what the damage is. So sit back, buckle your seatbelt up and enjoy the video. So the wheels are looking a bit shabby. There we go, there's the back driver's side one. There it is, nothing fancy, just a bit of shampoo, bucket, wheel brush and sponge. And now I'll show you the culprit. Well, doesn't look too bad. Still really gutted that I did it. So, with everything that's going on in the world, not really important, is it? I'm just gutted. It looks like it's only a small scuff. So, anywhere in the Barrow Furnace area that does the old repairing of black powder coated wheels, give us any recommendations in the comments below, please. I'm going to have a little cry now. But no, seriously, there's a lot more important things going out in the world today. It's just a bit annoying, isn't it, that? Brand new, not even had it a month, and I've curbed the things. Anyway, quick wash has confirmed the damage isn't that bad, which is good. So, without further ado, have fun, stay safe, see you next time.